Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. How are you today? I'm so happy you're here with me today. We're going to do a bloom. I did a bloom using these colors. These two were different and it turned out so beautiful. And it was from inspiration from Carol from Carol's art room. I love her blooms. So I made it, it turned out beautiful. Then I tried this size, and for some reason the TLP pigments that I had made up, I don't know if that's the problem or not, but I was guessing it was, it was breaking up. So I made something a little different. So let me go over the flowers, the colors. We have Amsterdam Persian Rose, beautiful color. We have Mint Green by Aqua Flash and a little bit Pearl White in there. Then I have Color Shift Rose Brilliant. I have DecoArt's Peridot. This is a custom color trying to mimic my TLP watermelon color. And then we have DecoArt Jewel Green. All right, let me take these off. Right, well, that didn't quite turn out the way I wanted. Too much black cell activator, too dark all over. So let's go again. You put down some pillow paint. All right. Okay, let's start again with Persian Rose. And we got our Mint Green from Aqua Flash. Very pretty, very pretty. And I have TLP, this little piggy. Show Pony, 2 parts Show Pony, 1 part Sangria. Now, I just made this up because I found out the other one that I had, either that or the watermelon, was breaking up. So I made some more. Next is going to be DecoArt's Peridot Green. It's a metallic. And I made up some more watermelon. It's from TLP. It's a pigment. I love this color. Yeah, I'm telling you, I love it. And last, I'm not going to use too much, is the DecoArt's Jewel Green. I think that's all. I don't know. We'll see. All right, nice big puddle. One last torch. Get those bubbles out. Black cell activator. Let's see where to go. There it is. I'm not going to use as much this time. All right. And the flower blow dryer on low. don't do that, but at this time in the middle, I try to, before blowing out the petals, trying to spread it out a little bit. Okay, we're gonna have to let it, the color is gorgeous. We're gonna have to let it the black cell activator kind of come together in the middle. In the meantime, I can get care of some of these. If it's a small white dot, I use the pointy end. If it's a bigger one, I use the bigger end. Oh, and there was kind of watery paint on there. Shoot. Use a dry towel to wipe off your paint. Let's see. Wonder if I can use a little paper towel here. Oh, yeah, it sucks it right up. A little more spot. Oh well, good enough. That was a new one for me. I hadn't done that before. Oh, it's looking gorgeous. The petals blew out nicely. One more. You know, sometimes you just have to keep working at them. They don't come out, you know. This is like the third time with this size that I'm trying it. First time the colors were gorgeous, but the paint was breaking up after I spun it. So it was my pigments, and I'm hoping it won't happen this time, because I did make new TLP pigments. Okay, let's do something like this. Okay, one last torch. I'm really liking this. Okay, I'm ready. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to the sound on this last piece, but didn't it turn out beautiful?